Welcome to another episode of Mind Thump, your number one source for interesting content to feed your brain. I love animals. I can sit there and waste hours of my time scrolling through social media, watching viral videos of them. However, sometimes we can easily forget that some animals are in fact incredibly deadly too. This video is going to be detailing the top 10 deadliest animals in the world, from 10 through to number 1. We will be listing them based on the average number of estimated human deaths per year. Make yourself comfortable, like this video so more of our content is delivered to your homepage, and subscribe to the channel so that you do not miss out on any of our latest uploads. Okay, let's go. Number 10. Hippopotamus. With so many dangerous animals in Africa, many people often overlook the fact that hippos are the biggest killer of humans of all large African animals. Male hippos fiercely defend their territories, which include the banks of rivers and lakes, while female hippos can get extremely aggressive if they sense anything getting in between them and their babies. Hippos weigh up to 1,500 kilograms, the third biggest animal in Africa behind the elephant and the rhino. They can run on land at speeds of up to 30 kilometers per hour. Combine this with their aggressive nature, agility in and out of the water, and sharp, half-meter teeth, and you can understand why hippos make for such a fearsome creature to encounter. The hippopotamus is responsible for an estimated 500 human deaths per year. Number 9. Crocodiles. Found in the tropical regions of Africa, Asia, Australia, and the Americas. Crocodiles live in lakes, rivers, wetland, and even some saltwater areas. The largest saltwater crocodile and the Nile crocodile species are the most dangerous, regularly killing people in parts of Asia and Africa. Known for their ambush hunting technique, the crocodiles are indiscriminate hunters and attack any animal that comes within reach, including humans. Their attack usually takes the form of launching from the water and clamping the victim in its powerful jaws, dragging them back into the water to drown them before stashing them under submerged branches or rocks to eat later on. The crocs double our previous entry, killing an estimated 1,000 people every year. Number 8. Tapeworm. There are many tapeworm species, parasites that live in the small intestines of many kinds of animals. The Echinococcus group of tapeworm are the most dangerous to humans and measure just 6 millimeters in length and are found in raw or undercooked meat. Their size is not indicative of the damage they can cause. However, which if left untreated leads to severe symptoms and can be fatal. The tapeworm kills by migrating to parts of the body such as the liver, eyes, heart, and brain. There, they cause severe infections that can result in death. According to the WHO, these creatures kill an approximate 2,000 people per year. Number 7. Ascaris Roundworm. The Ascaris Roundworm parasites are mostly found in cats, dogs, and foxes, and can infect humans if they handle soil or sand contaminated with infected animal feces. For most people, an infection causes no symptoms, and the parasites die within a few months. But in some cases, the roundworm larvae infect organs, such as the brain, eyes, or lungs, and cause severe symptoms, and eventually death. Just like our previous entry, the tapeworm, these creepy crawlies are responsible for just over 2,000 human deaths every year. Number 6. Freshwater snails. I bet you didn't think that snails would be on our list. The freshwater snail is another animal that's extremely dangerous due to the parasites it carries. In this case, the parasitic flatworms found in freshwater snails with schistosomiasis, also known as fever or bilharzia, a disease that causes intense abdominal pain. Schistosomiasis is second only to malaria as the parasitic disease with the highest death rate. Transmission to humans comes from the parasites emerging from the snail to contaminate water, which then infects any humans who touch or drink it. These snails are reportedly the cause of 10,000 deaths every year. Number 5. Assassin bug. There are some 7,000 species of assassin bugs the world over. Each is equipped with a nasty, highly hardened mouthparts called a rostrum. With this, the assassin bug stabs through the exoskeleton of its prey, then an outer sheath peels back once inside to expose the mouthparts that are used for chewing and mandibles. Now, apart from occasionally delivering a painful bite, assassin bugs are usually no real threat to humans, save for one group, the blood-sucking kissing bugs. So called because they typically bite humans painlessly around the mouth while we sleep. But if they happen to defecate in the process, protozoans from their feces get into the wound, leading to chronic heart problems that may only manifest decades later. Chagas disease, as it's known, is a serious issue in South America, where substandard housing leaves more points of entry for the bugs. These things are drawn with the snails, killing an estimated 10,000 every year. Number 4. Tsetse Fly. Tsetse flies may look like a housefly, but are undoubtedly far more dangerous. Endemic to sub-Saharan Africa, the flies are bloodsuckers that carry and spread deadly parasites known as trypanosomes. These tiny little pathogens are responsible for African sleeping sickness, which can lead to death if left untreated. There are no vaccines for this disease spread by the tsetse flies, though prevention of tsetse bites is helped by wearing neutral-coloured clothing and avoiding bushes during the daytime. These flies, at number 4 on our list, are also on par with the assassin bugs and snails, killing around 10,000 people every year. Number 3. Dogs. There is no way that man's best friend can be coming in at number 3 on our countdown, right? Well, dogs are also one of our biggest killers. Around 25,000 humans die each year of rabies, mostly in Africa and Asia, and it's estimated that approximately 99% of those cases are caused by the saliva of infected dogs. Unfortunately, in these areas, a lot of dogs are not domesticated like in other parts of the world, and also people don't have access to effective rabies treatment. Number 2. Snakes. It would have been hard to list each species of dangerous snakes separately, along with their kill numbers. As for most snakebite deaths, the species of the snake is not known by the person who was bitten. That said, there are plenty of species of exceptionally venomous snakes living in many parts of the world. Black mambas are generally regarded as one of the deadliest snakes in the world, and for good reason. They are large, one of the world's fastest snakes, have a well-developed vision, and are extremely aggressive when cornered, known to attack and strike repeatedly. On top of this behavior, black mambas have extremely toxic venom, with one bite containing enough neuro and cardiotoxins to kill 10 people, and a 100% fatality rate for untreated bites. At number 2, snakes are known to kill 50,000 humans each year. And number 1, mosquitoes. Although the tiny mosquito may look far less impressive than the other creatures on this list, it is by far the most dangerous animal in the world, with a whopping 725,000 reported deaths each year. The many species of mosquito in sub-Saharan Africa and Asia particularly carry a number of different potentially fatal mosquito-borne diseases, including yellow fever, the Zika virus, West Nile virus, dengue fever, and of course, malaria. The World Health Organization says that of all disease-transmitting insects, the mosquito is the greatest menace, spreading malaria, dengue, and yellow fever, which together are responsible for 7 million deaths and hundreds of millions of cases every year. Active from dusk till dawn, prevention against mosquito bites takes the form of wearing light colours, using spray or lotion repellents, and sleeping in mosquito nets. That's all for this video breaking down the top 10 deadliest animals in the world. Which of our entries shocked you the most being on our list? For me, I just can't believe that my favourite animal, the dog, came in at number 3. Let us know in the comments section down below. Before you go, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell for instant notifications of the newest uploads. As always, thanks for stopping by Mindthump. See you next time.